Anna and Guida Capri. Guess what?
What?
No matter what. I lost out. Sorry. Hey.
Anna and her face thingy-majiggy.
Yes, I don't know if you can hear me, but you know what? It's critical to follow the 3 W's. Wash your hands. Watch your distance.
And cover your
And
mouth.
wear your mask. Yes, even Guida Capri has a mask.
Oh,
Look at it.
nice.
And you know what? We're matching. Look at it.
Oh, so
Isn't
cute.
she cute? Oh my god.
So
Look, you want to
cute.
describe it? The color we match, right?
Yes, you do.
Oh my gosh. But
Kaya
it's
se
not
la quiere
fair.
quitar.
So it's just for the picture and the video. So you do not want to put a mask on you, dog. But
No, never.
yes, wash your hands, right?
Uh-huh.
Wear your mask and
Social
wash your
distancing.
distance.
She's like, no, I don't want to wash my
Anyway,
distance.
this is so different. Everything has changed. We're waiting for our food out here, right?
Yes, and this is our favorite one of.
Barbecue, is that what it's called?
This is L&L Hawaiian barbecue. Yes.
And of course, we're waiting on here. I forgot.
We have to wait outside.
Yeah, but anyway, make sure, don't forget the 3 W's. Bye.
Bye.